Hey, how's it going, folks? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to horizontally flip a video in iMovie for iOS, which is iPad and iPhone. Unfortunately, in the application itself, it doesn't have that, but luckily on your phone, there's a way to do it so we can do that flip before we import it into iMovie. So what you're going to need to do is actually open up your Photos app. Then you're going to select the image or the video that you want to actually horizontally flip. But before doing that, I would recommend you actually hit the box with the up arrow. Then you're going to hit next, and we're going to scroll down and look for the duplicate. So the reason we're going to make a duplicate is so we leave the original in its state, but also sometimes iMovie, when you import something you flip, it reverts back. And I've found that if I make a duplicate before I do this actual flipping, it actually fixes that problem. I'm not sure if that's a bug that still exists, but I just instinctively make a duplicate before I do my flipping and importing into iMovie. Okay, next we're going to hit that edit button, and on the right side you'll see the little cropping tool thing. You're going to go ahead and click that to get into it. And then on the top left corner you'll see that there's a button up there that I was pushing where you can flip it back and forth. And once you're done, you just hit the done button, and now you have a video that's horizontally flipped. Okay, and now at this point you've actually edited the video in the Photos app. You've horizontally flipped it. And what you're going to do now is you just open up your iMovie and you'll import that new version into your movie. So you've successfully horizontally flipped the clip. And like I said, it's unfortunate that it doesn't exist in iMovie right now, but hopefully in the future they're going to get the desktop app and the iOS mobile app, at even level. So all the tools will be in there that you need. Okay, I want to thank everybody for watching. We'll see you next time. Peace and aloha.